Murimu wa TB ni murimu wa gatano uria ni ugwati munene guku bururi-ini na uria ungicungiriria gikuo angikorwo murwaru ndaramukira motungata ma urigitani kana kurumirira motaro ma urigitani. Na njira imwe ya kugeria kuhitana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni ruthaganirie kigomano kia gatandatu kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kia mirimu iria yumanaga na mahuri, murimu wa TB ukioya muhari-ini wa mbere, kuona gicunji kinene kia arwaru guku bururi-ini gitireyumiria kwamukira motungata ma kugiririria murimu uyu kuhotomia ugima wa mwiri na njira ya kunyua ndawa.
And I call upon governors and the county governments to put more efforts at dealing with tuberculosis at the grassroots level. If you are not aware that tuberculosis is one of the most dangerous diseases, and two, it is very costly to treat when we move from normal TB to MDR TB and to the more drug resistant TB.
Akiaria kigomano-ini giki murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa kung'ethanira na murimu wa TB guku bururi-ini Gicunji ni ugite namba ya arwaru aria magumiirwo ni murimu uyu ni andu 1,140 guku rekodi ikionania no andu 77,000 ya aria metikirite kunyua ndawa, undu uria uhete ruhonge ruru ihinda iritu uria kung'ethanira naguo.
We are missing almost 42% of patients who have TB. As we know, TB is very contagious, and if it's missed, it is in our community and it's spreading.
Kuhana uguo ruhonge ruru ni rwambikite mitaratara itiganite ya kugeria kuhitana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu, kuria rugukorwo rukiambiriria guthurima arutwo mathukuru-ini matiganite tamu ikiambiriria mwaka ukite, niguo kwambiriria kurigita tene aria makanyitikana naguo guku magiethana na aria magumiire kunyua ndawa matura-ini matiganite.
Bearing in mind that is a leading infectious killer in Kenya and globally, and the much that is allocated to diseases like malaria and malaria and HIV and COVID, TB receives the least allocation.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria tafanitio ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini, andu 21,000 nio makuire mwaka-ini wa 2020 kurumirira gutorio ni murimu wa TB.